All right, we're doing our rake prep. We'll go ahead and bring our filled battens flush with our rake. And then we're gonna go ahead and bring our rake batten in. Now your rake batten, depending on the angle you like your cap, you can go ahead and play with this rake batten, okay? You can bring it a little closer to the rake, or you can bring it out. We're gonna show 2.5 inches in from my rake. And then we'll go ahead and fasten that batten. If we are using our EBS, make sure the pucks are facing out. We'll fasten that in each batten with our fastener. So now we'll be ready to put our panels on and our cap. Now, on our rake, some codes will require a drip edge on your rake, or if you, with this buildup, there might be an old paint line or metal line that the cap doesn't quite reach. So if your code requires, or if you have that paint line, what you can do is take your 3.5 inch fascia and go ahead and put that right on those battens. Now we'll cover that paint line, or cover you for your, if your code requires a drip edge on the rake. Go ahead and fasten that. Now your cap, we can go ahead and come over the top and we'll cover that paint line, or it'll meet that code requirement if there is any on the rake drip edge.